Few SUVs offer the near-perfect blend of utility, value, and luxury of the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. It shares its underpinnings with the superb Kia Telluride, but it wears a unique look all its own. All Palisades come with a smooth-running 3.8-litre V6 and an 8-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is optional, otherwise the Palisade drives the front wheels. While perhaps not as enjoyable to drive the Mazda CX-90, the Palisade's on-road demeanor is nonetheless composed and relaxed, making it a great choice for long-distance treks. Its high-class cabin features upmarket finishes and 3 comfortable rows of seats. Hyundai has integrated plenty of connectivity and convenience features throughout the interior, so everyone feels at home. High-end Limited and Calligraphy models take the experience up to the near-luxury level, with features such as quilted leather upholstery, fancier trim, and second-row captain's chairs. A new top-spec Calligraphy Night Edition trim joins the Palisade lineup for 2024 and wears blacked-out exterior trim, unique black wheels, black roof rails, and a black leather interior. Only a few other minor changes are in store for Palisade this year, but dual-zone front and single-zone rear automatic climate control features are now standard on the base shade trim. The XRT now comes with rear side window shades and the Limited gains ambient interior lighting. Our Palisade of choice would be the mid-range SEL with the premium package. It adds many of the SUV's best tech and luxury features, including the larger infotainment screen, in-dash navigation, and Hyundai's most advanced driver assistance features. The Palisade is powered by a 3.8-litre V6 and comes standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine's 291 horsepower provides plenty adequate acceleration, and the Palisade's transmission can be manually shifted with steering wheel-mounted paddles if you seek a little more driver involvement. The gearbox shifts smoothly on its own, but there's some busy shuffling of the ratios when climbing hills. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is optional on SE, SEL, and Limited trim levels. It's standard on the range-topping Calligraphy. All Palisades come standard with a transmission cooler and trailer pre-wiring and sway control, and are rated to tow up to £5,000 when equipped with the dealer-installed trailer hitch. Our test drive of a loaded Calligraphy model around Asheville, North Carolina highlighted the Palisade's smooth ride and quiet cabin. We even gave some light off-roading a try and were satisfied that the big SUV can handle terrain beyond what you'll find in the urban jungle. In our testing, our all-wheel drive XRT test vehicle went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds and stopped from 70 miles per hour in 161 feet. The SE and SEL trims seat 8 passengers, while the Limited and Calligraphy have second-row captain's chairs that reduce passenger capacity to 7. Either way, there's plenty of space in all 3 rows for occupants. The second row features a button to move the seat forward for easy access to the third row. Power folding second and third row seats are optional on the SEL and standard on the Limited and Calligraphy.